What's up guys, it's Grip and Rip here. Welcome back to another video. I apologise if my voice sounds horrible. I've literally just woken up. Before we get into today's video, I've got a couple things I need to talk to you guys about. First of all, I'm customising the front end of my bike a little bit. As you can see, I've put some eyes on the front because it's Halloween, and I thought, why not just stick a bomb the whole top bit? Because I was meant to have a black one of these, never came, so why not stick a bomb it? So I've got some stickers coming. I'm going to get rid of these because these are just shit. I've got some nice cool like monster stickers coming for that. Second of all, and this is one that is quite exciting for me, where I took off this. Obviously it had the baffle out anyway, which made it sound pretty good. It also had a flute in there, and yesterday I removed that. So now she's quite loud. I don't really know how loud. Well, I do, but I don't know how loud it's going to pick up on the camera. It might not be any different to you guys, but to me, it's pretty loud. You know what she sounded like before? And now she sounds like this. Really? There we go. Anyway, you guys, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Roll that intro. Hey guys, so I've just had a brilliant idea. I wonder what my bike with my new found loudness sounds like in the multi-storey car park, because obviously that creates echoes. So I'm on my way over there now because I'm intrigued, and I need to check my tyres anyway because I ran over a branch and nearly crashed on now 5 minutes ago. Again, I wasn't recording. I miss so much when I'm not recording, but my battery life on my GoPro isn't actually as good as I hoped it would be. Howdy man drives quite quickly. I know his car stinks. Let's see how I sound. Quite loud. That's a funny looking motorcycle. SP57YBT. Okay, so guys, the real reason I've decided to come up here is because the other side of this hill is that downhill straight that's in my intro. I honestly believe now that I've basically allowed my bike to breathe better by taking that flute out of the exhaust, I could push 90 coming down it. Okay, let's go. I saw that I hit 88. Woo! Oh, it's such an adrenaline rush. Hello there, Stephen. I want to know who Stephen is. Should I ask? What if they say it's my dead son or something? Whoa, why are we braking? Why are we braking? Oh shit. Oh dear me. God, you know, if I was tailgating that car in front, that would have been a lot worse. I was braking so hard then that the front brake gave up for a minute and thought, no, I don't want to brake. That's how hard I was squeezing it. Your door's open.
Sorry?
Your door's open.
Thank you.
It's okay. Fuck me, what a ball bag. Look at this lunatic. Get the fuck off my ass. Go away. Fucking lunatic. Tailgate me? What's the point? And then when I fucking call you out on it, beat me? Are you retarded? Oh, he's got bagpipes. Those sound terrible. Those really do sound quite bad. Can't even get close to my ass. Oh, where's that man's legs gone? Where's his legs? Whoa, whoa. Okay, that was bad. I was so distracted by the fact that the man looked like he had no legs that I nearly went into the oncoming traffic.